Dear children, let us study classification of plants. It was made first by the scientist Carolus Linnaeus. The credit of classification goes to the scientist Carolus Linnaeus. Depending upon the different criteria, these plants are classified into different types. See, for classification, two things are important: similarities and differences. And depending upon the food that is taken by plants and food production, they are classified into three types. Autotrophic, main two types are there: autotrophic and heterotrophic. And also they eat insects, some plants, and they are called insectivorous. Now we will see the definitions one by one. Autotrophic, plants that make their own food in sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. Autotrophs are green in color because they contain chlorophyll, green colored pigment, and that's why they can prepare their own food by using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, and that's why they are called autotrophic. Here also the prefix auto means self. They prepare their own food, that's why they are called autotrophic. And hetero means others. That's why plants that use other plants for food, they are called heterotrophic plants because they depend on others for their food, for their nutrition. And insectivorous plants, in that plants that consume insects, they are called insectivorous plants. In Marathi, autotrophic plants are called Swayamposhi Vanaspati. Swayamposhi, that means they get their nutrition by their own, that's why they are called autotrophic. Heterotrophic are called Paraposhi. Per means others, dusre, and they depend on others for their nutrition, that's why they are called heterotrophic, paraposhi. And insectivorous means kitak bhakshi. As they consume insects, they eat insects and they survive there. That's why they are called insectivorous plants. Why do they eat insects? Because there is lack of nitrogen. There is deficiency of nitrogen in that soil, and that's why they require nitrogen, and they get nitrogen by eating insects. That's why they are called insectivorous plants. Now the examples of autotrophic plants are mango, neem, banyan, periwinkle. There are millions of autotrophic plants in our surroundings. Heterotrophic, dodder, cuscuta, loranthus, then fungi. These are the examples of heterotrophic plants. And insectivorous plants are Venus flytrap, then pitcher plant, drosera or sundew. These are the examples of insectivorous plants. In this way, depending upon their food, they are classified into autotrophic, heterotrophic and insectivorous.